I'm Randy Simmons, a Senior AE at GoEngineer. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the XYZ distance components when measuring in 3D Play. By default, the measurement tool in 3D Play will display distance measurements with only the direct distance like this. Many users would like to see more information, including the XYZ components of the distance along those directions, in addition to the direct distance, like this. To change this setting, as well as options for all the other measurement types other than distance, you need to go to your personal preferences. This is not an option in the 3D Play application. Instead, it is located in the Global Platform Preferences. To access it, click on your image or avatar in the upper right corner of your dashboard and choose Preferences from the drop-down menu. From the column on the left, choose Measurement Options. Make sure the value drop-down is set to distance. Select the Extended Display Radio button and make sure the components is turned on in the Extend section. I also like to make sure the Unit option is on under the Main Value section so that it will display millimeters, inches, and so on the screen with the measurement. There are many other graphics property settings here if you scroll down as well, such as colors for the box and the text, line thickness for the leaders, and many more. Be sure to hit the Save at the bottom of the Preferences window when you're finished. While you are in the measurement settings, be sure to check out all of the other measurement types you can make similar changes to from the Value drop-down menu. Many of the recent functional delivery updates to the platform have been consolidating preferences from different individual apps to this one central Preferences menu. And surely more will be moved here in the future. Note that 3D Markup, Issue 3D Review, and several other apps that allow measuring have their own separate settings for these options. If you would like to change the units that 3D Play is using to take measurements, inches, millimeters, and so on, it can be done from this menu as well. However, I also created a video detailing how to change the units. Look for this on the GoEngineer YouTube channel.